Hello, in this video I want to show you how to return money if you calculated it wrong in a supermarket together. And to do this, first let one of the clients actually pay with the cash, and now it's a card again. And here we have a cash, so let's say that I've made a mistake and I want to return the money. So we need to right click on the amount of money we want to remove from the current amount. Just right click on a 20 bill and as you can see it's removed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.